미제 사건 범인을 쫓고 있는 한 경찰이 있습니다. 한 발 늦게 파트너 토머스가 도착하고 무전으로 지원을 요청합니다.
Jesus, man. I thought cold cases were going to be safer.
Yeah, well, I think that may have been some wishful thinking.
네, 지금 그들은 미제 사건 전단팀으로 배정된 뒤 첫 번째 사건 해결을 눈앞에 두고 있습니다. LA 미제 사건 전단팀은 강력반과 같은 일선 경찰서가 아닌 신병훈련소 지하 맨 끝에 위치한 말 그대로 눈밖에 난 자들의 유배지입니다. 벨러들은 동료들과 처음으로 용의자를 잡은 것을 칭찬합니다. 하지만
And you know the case isn't actually closed, right? It's just up to the courts now.
까칠한 테드는 찬물을 끼얹으며 분위기를 망쳐버립니다.
I cleared the shelves. Figured we should have a special place.
벨러드는 사건 파일을 종결로 분류하지 않습니다.
This is from a bus station in San Diego, one of the last places John Doe was seen alive. That baby was never found.
And what did the investigating officer say?
I was ducking my calls, and I'm anxious to get some context because the book just seems off, like something's missing.
도대체 무슨 일이 있었길래 담당 형사는 아이가 있었다는 이렇게 중요한 사실을 보고서에서 빠뜨린 걸까요? 그때 제이크 펄머 의원이 벨러드를 찾아옵니다.
We've been at it 2 weeks, and already I'm getting heat.
This is about last night.
This is about the officer-involved shooting that's all over the news.
어젯밤 벨러드가 윈대를 잡으며 총을 쏜 것 때문에 언론에서는 또 경찰의 과잉 진압으로 뉴스가 보도됩니다.
But aren't we missing the headline here? We got a murderer off the street.
To that end, the primary focus of this unit remains the murder of Councilman's sister.
Which we are working.
Really? Because it looks like a study hall out there.
제이크는 2001년에 여동생이 살해당하는 사고를 당했습니다. 그래서 이것을 최우선으로 수사하는 조건으로 벨러드를 미제 사건팀으로 옮겨줬습니다.
With more money, I could bring in a second sworn officer.
There is no more money.
Well, then, I'm stretched thin. The rest are reserves and volunteers. I can only ask so much.
지원이 부족해 수사에 어려움이 있다는 벨러드.
I heard from friends on the force you weren't much of a team player. I'm hoping you see this as an opportunity to prove them wrong.
Just so we're absolutely clear, this is your last stop. If you don't close Sarah's case, all of this goes away. And you're done.
약속을 안 지킬 사람은 아닌 것 같은데 신원 미상자 사건을 먼저 수사하는 이유가 있는 걸까요?
Keep up the good work.
Stop by anytime.
I'll walk you guys out.
서둘러 제이크를 쫓아가는 테드.
And Rolls is friends with him?
Yeah, they go way back. High school, I think. Perlman put him here to keep an eye on me.
이쯤 되면 제이크가 너무 개인적인 사건에 안달내는 건 아닐까 생각하겠지만 사건을 돌아보면 그의 심정도 이해가 갑니다.
I can't believe the DMV actually gave you a license. I'm serious. You're like a public safety hazard.
Says the guy with 3 speeding tickets.
Listen, I do have one piece of real advice. Don't ever forget, the brake is the one on the left.
You suck.
Watch out, Los Angeles.
Jake's the one who found her. You've seen the crime scene photos. That's how he remembers her, not like this. This is the reason why he pushes so hard. He needs answers. Hey, did you get back from that IO on the John Doe case?
Nothing yet.
I'm tired of waiting for her to get back to me. Call you later.
벨러드는 신원 미상자 사건을 담당했다가 지금은 은퇴한 바커를 찾아갑니다.
I have some questions for you about a John Doe case you worked in 20.
Sorry, not interested.
Yeah, I kind of got that message when you didn't return my calls. Care to tell me why?
Because LAPD's in my rear view, and I'm not looking back. Besides, that case wasn't going nowhere.
Is that why your book is so thin?
Bitch, I did my job.
There was a baby. critical missing you left out there?
I tried. But no one saw it as a priority.
I do. I'm reopening it.
You want a cookie?
바커는 피해자가 지냈던 모텔에 4번이나 찾아갔습니다. 보고서에 무엇을 물어보고 조사했는지 적혀있지 않았지만 바커는 무언가를 열심히 조사하고 있었죠.
You wanna know what I left out? Somebody at the LAPD was covering something up.
바커는 사건 전날 피해자가 누군가와 심하게 말싸움을 한 증언을 확보했습니다.
He said people were yelling in the parking lot. He goes out there and he sees the motel manager getting into it with some woman. Black and white shows up, hauls the lady off.
바커는 증언을 듣고 서로 돌아와 여자의 신원을 확인하기 위해 출동 기록을 찾아보지만 없었습니다.
Nothing in the sergeant's log.
That's what I'm saying. Someone buried that 911 call and the rollout. Now who would want to do that? That's why it's not in the book.
이것은 경찰이 아니면 불가능합니다. 도대체 남성은 어떤 사건에 휘말렸길래 경찰이 그의 사건을 조작하는 걸까요?
If you suspected the cops were involved, why not try to prove it?
Because calling the LAPD out on their shit always goes so well.
벨러드는 파커에게 다시 사건을 조사해보지 않겠냐며 인턴으로 수사팀이 합류할 것을 제안합니다.
You know, that baby would probably be 6 years old. Think about it.
벨러드의 수사팀은 정말로 지원이 필요합니다. 사무실엔 냉장고 하나 없고
Oh, we're getting fridge tomorrow.
전문적인 인력도 부족해 추리 매니아와 미제 사건 팟캐스트 크리에이터를 인턴으로 고용한 상태입니다.
It's like a library in here.
파커가 사무실로 찾아옵니다. 아무래도 해결하지 못한 사건이 마음에 걸린 것으로 보이죠.
You going in the field today?
Wasn't planning to. Why?
A lot of hardware for a guy riding a desk. It's like you about to go to battle.
파커는 보고서에 빠진 것들을 알려줍니다.
You know, I called this the Santa Muerte case after that figurine we found in his bedroom at the Sunbeam. The Santa Muerte is a folk saint out of Mexico. A lot of immigrants carry them. They think they offer protection. Didn't much help here.
피해자가 이것을 가지고 있었다는 건 불법 체류자일 가능성이 높습니다. 그래서 아직까지 신원 확인이 안 된 걸지도 모르죠.
2001, you said?
Yeah.
벨러드는 세라 사건 때 지문 채취에 사용된 테이프에서 지문이 아닌 DNA 정보가 있을지 다시 검사를 요청합니다. 사건 당시 2000년대 초반보다 지금 DNA 기술이 많은 발전을 했으니 생각지도 못한 증거가 나올지도 모릅니다.
You're Detective Ballard, right? I heard about what you did last year. Thought it was brave.
작년에 하신 일. 그러고 보니 미제 사건팀은 형사들에게 유배지와 다를 바 없는 곳입니다. 그렇다면 왜 벨러드는 이곳에 있는 걸까요?
Hey, baby girl.
벨러드의 저택은 조금 낡았지만 바다가 시원하게 보이는 그림 같은 풍경을 품고 있습니다.
Did it have anything to do with that business last year?
할머니는 벨러드의 어두운 표정을 읽어냅니다.
It's just that anytime someone mentions it, I feel like I'm right back there. Like I can't get free from it.
다음날 바커는 피해자가 묵었던 선빈 모텔을 다시 찾아갑니다.
Can I help you?
Spencer, right? Remember me? I worked a murder back in 2020. Mexican guy, had a baby.
너무 오래전 일이라 기억나지 않는다며 짧게 말을 자르는 스펜서.
I got nothing. Now, could you vacate? Cops ain't good for business.
잠시 뒤 현장에 나가 있는 사람이 하나도 없는 LA 강력반 사무실.
Detective Olivas from your homicide. How can I help you?
Is Detective Parker there?
Is it Mary Parker?
Yes.
I'm sorry, she doesn't work here anymore. But I'm happy to help you with whatever. Hello? Hello?
파커는 사무실로 돌아와 너무 오래전 사건이라 목격자도 기억하는 게 없고 새로 얻을 수 있는 것이 없을 거라고 말합니다.
This thing dried up like 5 years ago. What do you think we're gonna get from it now?
Well, I don't know. Past is always present.
파커는 끝난 사건이라고 말은 하지만 벨러드가 부탁하지도 않았는데 모텔을 찾아가는 등 사건에 대해 미련이 남아 있습니다.
So, you do care. Look, just give me a day of your time. Maybe 2.
One day.
그때
Detective Ballard,
세라 사건에 대해 놀라운 소식을 듣습니다.
Long shot paid off. The lab got DNA off that print tape.
You're kidding.
The killer's DNA's been there this whole time.
I know. Now we need to find a profile to compare it to.
You still got a line on the ex-boyfriend?
Ryan Richmond? Perlman sure thinks he's our guy.
Good luck getting a warrant for his DNA. Even back then, they didn't have enough probable cause.
Oh, I'll get it some other way.
벨러드는 현장에서 나온 DNA와 대조하기 위해 가장 유력한 용의자였던 세라의 남자친구를 찾아갑니다.
Don'll be with you in a minute. Take a look around.
Thanks.
가게가 바빠 보입니다. 할머니께 부탁해 매장으로 전화를 걸게 합니다.
How's the vein? Yo, Brian, it's for you.
Sorry. It's Brian. Friday. Sorry, I heard you wrong.
Hey, I'm double parked. I'm gonna check on my car.
I can spot you cops a mile away. Police already ruined my life with this. Leave me alone.
한편 사무실의 강력반 올리바스가 찾아옵니다.
Olivas, what are you doing here?
A woman called down to RHD earlier, asked for Parker. When I told her she no longer worked there, the lady hung up on me. Call came from a motel tied to a case that we worked on back in the day, the Sunbeam. Remember that dump? Anyway, I asked around, heard that Parker was dipping her toe down here with you.
Case is cold, isn't it?
올리바스는 5년 전 파커와 이 사건을 담당한 형사입니다. 그런데 벨러드는 왜 강력반에 있는 올리바스를 찾아가지 않고 경찰을 그만둔 파커를 찾아가 사건에 대해 물어본 걸까요?
Well, now you've seen it. Thanks for stopping by.
분위기가 살벌합니다.
It's good to see you folks. The fun?
Feel free to just call next time.
Ballard, come on. Anytime we bury the hatchet.
Oh, I plan on burying it. In your goddamn back.
벨러드는 파커를 다시 한번 설득하려 합니다. 하지만 그를 팀으로 데려오기 위해선 5년 전 경찰을 그만두게 된 원인을 해결해야겠죠.
Why did you leave?
A lot of hypocrisy. A lot of assholes.
A lot of victims, too. Yeah, the assholes are definitely a thing. How do you think I ended up heading the cold case unit? I tried to call one of those assholes out, department sided with him, and then I got booted. What better way to keep the troublesome woman quiet than to silo her in the ass end of the LAPD? Bottom line is that I think they wanted me to quit. But that's not happening.
This asshole you keep talking about. Was it Olivas?
네, 그랬습니다. 이것이 벨러드의 사연이었죠.
You know, I'll tell you something. It's actually why I pulled the John Doe case. No better way to stick it to the guy than to solve the case he couldn't, right? Why don't you do it with me? Officially, join the unit. I know you want to go by that motel after what Olivas said. I want you. What do you say?
Okay. Hell with it, I'm in. Perdón.
¿Qué pasó? Julia está muerta. Alguien la mató.
Julia? Oh my God.
파커가 모텔을 찾아갔을 때 있었던 여성입니다. 그녀는 무엇인가 정보를 주려고 연락한 것이 분명합니다.
Detective Ballard,
Renee, it's Darcy.
even though you weren't able to get any DNA off Brian Richmond,
I went ahead and ran that touch DNA from the palm print through CODIS, and I got a case-to-case head.
No shit. Sarah Perlman's killer left DNA behind at another crime scene.
yep,
It's another murder, too.
a woman named...
Laura Wilson. Back in 08.
We might have a goddamn serial killer on our hands.
세라 사건의 현장에서 나온 DNA가 다른 살인사건 현장에서도 발견된 적이 있다. 파일을 찾아봅니다.
You don't see many books this clean.
Who was the investigator?
You gotta be kidding me. Harry fucking Bosch.
Didn't know I was expecting company.
해당 지역을 관할하고 있는 지사의 데일런 형사가 인사를 건넵니다.
Not sure it's sexy enough for RHD.
그는 이번 사건은 단순한 강도로 벌어진 사고라며 얼른 현장에서 철수하려고 서두르고 있죠.
Shots were fired around 10:05. She walked in on a 211 in progress, spooked the robber, got herself shot in the back.
설명만 들어보면 앞뒤가 딱 떨어집니다.
Hey, do you mind if I just take a quick peek? Since I'm already here.
Knock yourself out.
하지만 벨러드가 둘러본 현장에는 많은 것들이 다른 방향을 가리키고 있습니다.
You looking here?
Of course I did. Why?
Yulia was already in here when your suspect showed up.
How do you figure?
Toilet paper. You see that decorative fold? And there's no water spots on the mirror. She had already cleaned the bathroom when your killer shot her.
You've seen enough?
Yeah. Oh, do you mind sharing glow sticks when it comes in? I just need something to compare to my cold case.
Sure thing. Top of my list.
How's it going? Mind if I take a look at the security footage?
사건이 발생하기 전 9시 48분 수상해 보이는 남성이 현장 앞을 지나갑니다. 그리고 밖에서 기다리는 파커를 만나 현장에서 얻은 정보를 공유합니다.
You think she's the woman who called RHD looking for you?
If she was, what if somebody was trying to shut her up?
한 가지 확실한 건 파커가 모텔을 다녀간 후 율리아가 그녀에게 전화를 걸었다는 겁니다. 그리고 율리아를 죽인 남자는 이 사람으로 보이는데 지금으로선 범인을 잡아야 정확한 걸 알 수 있겠죠.
How? When Nayland's shutting us down.
That's not happening. We're working this case. We're just not gonna tell him about it.
벨러드는 비밀리에 율리아의 죽음을 조사하자고 말합니다. 하지만 롤스는 자꾸 일이 많아지는 것이 귀찮기만 합니다.
Yeah, on that. Why are we catching a fresh one?
You missed the part where she said Yulia might be tied to the John Doe?
롤스는 정식 경찰이 아닌 보안 경찰입니다. LAPD처럼 배지는 받지만 제한적인 체포권을 지닌 사설 경찰인데 LA는 롤스가 대표로 있는 보안업체와 계약을 맺었고 그의 직원들은 보안 경찰로 근무하고 있죠.
It's a whole lot of ground to cover.
I know. We should get started.
We don't even know if this is our guy. And it's 95 degrees out there today.
Bring a hat.
투덜거리며 사진을 찍는 롤스. 그리고 보쉬의 사건 파일을 살펴봅니다.
Laura Wilson, age 26, black. Aspiring actress. Strangled manually, defensive wounds to hands and fingernails. No signs of sexual assault.
보쉬는 현장에서 발견된 모든 걸 하나하나 소중하게 보관해 놓았습니다.
Victim was single, lived alone, discovered by her mother after Laura missed church on Sunday. Last seen by friends Saturday night at Barney's Beanery in West Hollywood. They were celebrating a commercial Laura shot. Time of death, early the next morning, September 7th, roughly 0100.
경찰서 앞에서 제이크와 마주칩니다.
A little early to call it a day, don't you think?
I'm going to conduct an interview. Family member of a victim.
Which case? This new Laura Wilson murder or the one you caught this morning? Because it seems to me your opening case is faster than you're closing them.
벨러드는 로라를 죽인 범인의 DNA가 세라의 집에서도 발견된 걸 말합니다.
Laura Wilson was strangled in 2008 by the same person who killed your sister. So working her case is working Sarah's.
그런데
You said Laura was murdered in 2008?
September 7th, 2008. Why?
Then Brian Richmond couldn't have done it.
What do you mean?
He was out of the country in 2008. Look, I kept tabs on him for years. He was in Iraq, October 2007 to May 2009, 2 tours. He didn't come back to the States once.
범인으로 의심치 않았던 세라의 남친이 로라가 사망한 시기에 파병을 나갔었다는 제이크.
Look, if what you're saying about his deployment is true, then he didn't kill Laura and he didn't kill Sarah either.
허탈합니다.
I spent 24 years hating that man.
어머니는 세라의 범인조차 찾지 못하자 화병으로 돌아가셨습니다. 제이크는 그나마 브라이언을 범인이라 생각하며 버텨왔는데 이제는 모르겠습니다.
I can't let the same thing happen to my father or to me, frankly.
그런데 이때부터 누군가가 벨러드를 따라다닙니다. 사내에서 예전 동료들과 마주칩니다.
There she is. Only woman I know who takes her shotgun to the cleaners.
벨러드를 보며 낄낄거리는 동료들. 그러자 올리바스가 주의를 주죠. 이때 모텔 청소부였던 율리아의 부검에 담당 형사인 네일런이 불참한 소식을 듣습니다.
Turns out Nayland was a no-show at Yulia's autopsy.
It's his case.
시간이 촉박한 벨러드는 네일런을 무시하고 자신이 탄도 검사를 맡기려고 합니다.
We need to get that bullet ourselves and take it into ballistics.
There's going to be hell to pay if you go behind his back.
이때 율리아의 현장에서 목격한 노숙자를 찾아다니는 바커와 롤스.
What? This is a blanket from the motel.
현장에서 사라진 담요를 발견하고 노숙자를 통해 용의자의 이름을 알아냅니다.
That you got it from a dude named Frosty, and even ID'd him off of your photo. Now the volunteer at the shelter, she said Frosty's real name is Sean Wright.
중독자 소굴에서 살고 있다는 라이트. 당장 쳐들어갑니다.
LAPD! Get your hands up!
LA에 버려진 집에 이렇게 중독자들이 넘쳐납니다.
Stay behind me, Rolls. Hands! Move, 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 move!
그때
You good? No. Sean Wright! Hands on your head! Hands on your head! On your knees, now! Down, down, down! Now!
하지만
Holy shit! She's running with a broken leg. Shit can never just be easy.
벨러드가 율리아의 용의자를 잡으며 교통정리가 필요한 시점입니다. 현재 벨러드는 라이트를 잡을 권한이 없죠. 국장을 찾아갑니다.
You're supposed to be working the Perlman case, correct?
It is one of the investigations I'm focused on, yes?
And is that in any way relevant to the Sunbeam murder you hijacked from Detective Nayland?
Sir, I didn't hijack.
Simple yes or no.
국장은 단호하게 책임 소재를 분명히 합니다.
She stole my ballistic evidence. She's way out of line.
I couldn't agree more.
하지만 수사도 하지 않고 놀고 먹는 LA 경찰들에게 질려 버렸기에 벨러드처럼 열정적인 형사를 배제할 이유가 없습니다.
I was pursuing
Ballard's case now. She earned it.
그리고 그는 묵묵하게 벨러드의 편을 들어주는 아주 고마운 존재죠.
Sew it up.
이제 용의자인 라이트를 만나볼 차례입니다. 라이트는 모든 혐의를 부정합니다.
Did you shoot her, Mr. Wright?
I never met her before.
When we arrested you, we found $600 in your pocket. Where'd you get the money?
A man gave it to me. He paid me.
He paid you for what?
My soul.
Did he pay you to kill Yulia?
어차피 상태가 안 좋아 자백을 해도 법원에서는 이것을 받아줄지 모르는 상태입니다. 결국 흉기를 찾아야 합니다.
I need you to tell me where you put the gun, Sean.
I planted it, and it grew into a rose garden.
사무실로 돌아옵니다.
So Sean Wright was a bust, huh?
The guy's barely coherent. Even if he did confess, it would never hold up in court.
We really need to find that gun.
Yes, we do.
그때 놀라운 손님이 찾아옵니다.
Ballard.
Harry.
Need a word.
보쉬는 자신이 맡았던 사건을 벨러드가 조사한다는 소식을 듣고 연락을 기다렸습니다.
Should I take it personally?
Take what personally?
Well, she didn't call me up to come and join your cold case club.
하지만 벨러드는 열악한 상황에 혼자 고군분투하느라 보쉬를 만날 시간도 부족했죠. 예전이 그립습니다.
Miss Homicide.
I understand.
Somehow I think if I prove myself in cold cases that maybe things can go back to the way they were.
The way things were might not exist anymore.
Let's look at the Laura Wilson book.
그때 바커는 흉기를 잡기 위해 모텔 주변을 수색합니다. 그리고 롤스는 계속된 현장 근무로 입이 빼죽 나온 상태입니다.
Look, I got no problem being out here all this time. I want to solve Yulia's murder just as bad as you do.
Yeah, I doubt that.
But if Frosty's gun is like the linchpin here, we need more bodies. We need uniformed officers, cadets, even. What are you looking at?
Frosty said that he planted a gun and it grew a rose garden.
라이트는 총에서 장미가 피어나 정원이 되었다고 말했습니다. 보쉬는 벨러드에게 보고서엔 적지 못한 의심스러운 용의자를 말해줍니다.
Harmon Harris. Didn't have a motive for him, but I didn't like his alibi.
해리스의 알리바이는 완벽했습니다. 하지만 그 알리바이를 증명해준 레녹스와의 관계가 조금 수상했죠.
Ironically, this guy, Lennox, was a student in Harris's acting class.
Sarah Perlman was interested in acting. Maybe Harmon Harris coached her too.
Good lead as any.
레녹스는 사건 날 수상한 파란색 펜을 보았다며 해리스는 범인이 아니라고 말했습니다.
Lennox said it was a blue van. The license plate started with
A 4.
Yeah. Checked it out. Over 3,000 vans that fit that description that were on the road at that time.
Needle in a haystack. Yeah, Parker.
We found a gun.
You did?
6-shooter. Next to a mural with a bunch of roses, if you could believe it.
All right, let's get it to FAU and see if the bullet matches the one that killed Yulia. I'll see you there.
Okay.
Laura Wilson.
No, it's a different case, but I gotta go.
You need me? Just whistle real loud.
Thanks, Harry.
벨러드는 단도 검사로 율리아가 맞은 총알이 이 총에서 발사된 걸 확인합니다. 그리고 총에는 라이트의 지문도 있었죠.
Any hits in the system?
No, nothing.
Not even on my John Doe?
I looked that one up specifically. Turns out that bullet from that case was never even analyzed.
You sure?
잠깐, 신원 미상자 사건의 총알이 검사조차 되지 않았다. 말도 안 됩니다.
I know I did. It was right before I left the force. Otherwise, I would have followed up on it myself. I'm telling you, someone in the LAPD let John Doe's murder go cold.
검사를 의뢰한 증거품이 사라지는 건 경찰도 하기 힘든 범죄입니다. 이것은 조직적인 은폐가 분명합니다.
Hey. Hey, all is bueno. Case closed. She arrested the shooter. You know he's a dead end. Can't even string a sentence together. This won't come back on us.
러폰트는 보쉬가 말한 해리스를 조사하는데 그는 2년 전 사망했습니다. 그렇다면 무덤에서 그의 DNA를 채취해 단번에 사건이 해결될지도 모르죠.
Look, if his DNA matches the palm print at Sarah's bedroom, case closed and Jake Perlman will keep our little unit chugging.
하지만 보쉬도 그를 용의자로 넣지 못했습니다. 그가 의심스러운 건 모두 직감뿐이고 만약 DNA 검사 후 결과가 일치하지 않으면 벨러드는 상당히 곤란하게 되겠죠. 서장의 호출을 받는 벨러드.
Raquel Thatcher. Kid on the shirt's her brother Nick. He fell off a balcony at his fraternity house back in 06.
요즘 SNS에서 죽은 동생의 억울함을 풀어달라는 영상이 퍼지며 버첨 소장은 골머리를 앓고 있습니다.
The original investigator died in 2020. So gather your team. I need all hands on deck for this. Thorough review. Make sure everything's crossed and dotted.
벨러드는 서장의 부탁이라 바쁜 와중에도 피해자의 누나를 만나 봅니다.
My brother called me in the middle of the night. Sometimes so drunk he could barely talk. Other times, I don't know, he would try to hide it, but I could tell that he was scared. Scared of what? The forced drinking.
그녀는 착한 동생이 학교에 들어간 후 괴롭힘을 당하다 죽었다며 동생을 괴롭힌 대학 클럽 멤버들의 이름을 알려줍니다.
He didn't just fall off of that balcony.
Nick's BAC was .18. That's on the low end of alcohol poisoning, but he was sloppy drunk.
Which fits the accident theory more than murder.
의심스러운 정황이 없는 건 아닙니다. 닉은 죽기 전 친구 카일과 다투는 모습이 여러 사람들에게 목격됐죠.
They got into it a few hours before Nick died. Now, Kyle said the argument was about girls, no big deal, didn't get physical, but he's also the one who found the body, along with a couple other pledges. So he might be worth a second look.
이때 전해가 울리지만 받지 않는 벨러드. 그리고 부검 보고서에 투신과 상관없이 머리에 찢어진 상처가 있었다는 내용을 확인합니다. 카일을 만납니다.
Kyle Barnett? I'm Detective Ballard. You got a minute?
벨러드는 카일을 포함한 친한 친구들을 모두 신문합니다.
You guys had been drinking the night before?
Probably a fair bet.
Any of it forced?
No, I mean,
We were hazed, sure, but it was fun and Nick was all in.
And did you witness the fight he had with Kyle earlier that night?
I was there, yeah. I'd hardly call it a fight. It was just a disagreement. It was stupid.
It didn't get physical?
Definitely not.
분명 뭔가를 숨기고 있는데 그게 뭔지는 잘 모르겠습니다.
Well, if you can think of anything else, give us a call.
Okay, you got it.
They're hiding something.
결국 강경책으로 잃을 게 많은 조이를 찾아가 협박합니다.
I told you everything I remember.
You sure?
What? I have nothing to hide.
You know, I was in a fraternity.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, we pulled some dumb shit.
롤스는 자신도 이 학교를 졸업했고 클럽 소속 회원이었다며 굿캅 패드캅 작전으로 조이를 설득합니다.
You think your brothers will close ranks for you now? They have their big houses to protect, and their families, their firms. Which is why they'll throw you under the bus first chance they get.
But I didn't do anything.
You and your friends are hiding something.
그리고 모두가 숨기려 했던 비밀을 털어놓는 조이.
There was this book. We found it near Nick's body that morning. And I had told Dan to move it before the cops showed up.
Why?
We just assumed no harm, no foul. He was looking through it when he fell.
And now you think it's possible someone could have hit him with it?
I don't know, maybe.
Still, why move it?
There were some details in it. House secrets. Stuff we didn't want the cops to see.
책을 숨겨놓은 클럽하우스로 향합니다. 그리고 추억이 떠오르는지 웃음 짓는 롤스.
You live like this?
Yeah, Jake and I. We lived together for 2 years at Fullerton.
2층에서 책을 찾아냅니다. 그리고 책의 내용은 철없던 시절의 실수라고 하기엔 선을 넘는 내용이었죠.
Who else knows about these?
Brothers, they're a secret.
책을 살펴본 미제 사건팀도 경악을 금치 못합니다.
Once SID has them processed, I'm gonna need you to go through all of these. Log anything that seems even remotely non-consensual, and we will turn it over to West Bureau Sex Crimes.
그때 벨러드는 신원 미상자 사건 때문에 증거물 보관소를 찾아갑니다. 그런데 그녀가 증거로 제출한 총알은 단순히 검사에서만 빠진 게 아니었죠.
Check again. I brought it from the morgue myself.
Yep, I saw that in the chain of custody. Then the bullet was disposed.
You can't be serious.
That's what it says in the log.
Who the hell would do that?
I want a copy of that dispo order.
증거를 버렸다. 어이가 없습니다. 폐기 명령서를 찾는 데 시간이 걸릴 테니 사무실로 돌아갑니다.
You get locked in last night?
Oh my god. I fell asleep.
마르티나는 취업을 위해 경력을 쌓으려고 미제 사건팀에 지원한 인턴입니다.
How many more years of undergrad?
This is my last one. Should be done already, but I had to take a break to help my parents out.
I'll make sure you have building access 24/7. Couch is yours. Any night till 9 a.m.
Thanks.
It's 9:20.
벨러드는 증거물 보관소에 연락을 받고 누가 증거를 폐기하라고 사인했는지 알게 됩니다.
Who signed for it?
Guy named Charlie Grant.
처음 들어보는 이름입니다.
Do you have an address? Let's go talk to him.
He worked gangs with LaFont back in the day, so I'm gonna be roping him in.
Is that a good idea?
신원 미상자 사건은 경찰이 연루된 것으로 보이는데 경찰 출신이었던 러펀트를 믿을 수 있는지 의심하는 바커.
But LaFont was my partner for 7 years. Best one I had. Not only can we trust him, we need him.
Hey, we're making a house call. Is this a break in the Thatcher case?
No, but I'll fill you in on the way there.
벨러드는 경찰이 조직적으로 사건을 은폐하려는 정황이 있다고 말합니다. 하지만 러펀트는 지금 만날 크랜트는 절대로 그럴 사람이 아니라고 말합니다.
Charlie Grant was working Vice at the time John Doe was killed. He was nowhere near the case.
Then why's his name on the dispo order? He'd have no reason to want that bullet destroyed. It's Hinky.
크랜트를 만납니다. 그리고 상황을 설명하는 벨러드.
The bullet that killed him is missing from property, and you signed the dispo order.
What's she talking about, Tommy? You know she has a habit of making false accusations, and she almost ruined a good man's career.
그런데 크랜트는 누군가 자신의 사인을 훔쳤다고 생각하는 게 아니라 벨러드가 자신에게 누명을 씌우려 한다고 주장합니다.
Does that look the same to you? Know your place. Now get her the hell out of my house. And Tommy, watch your back. Tiger doesn't change her stripes.
Forget about him. You said you could handle asshole cops.
I can, as long as my partner has my back. I don't need you to humor me, all right? I need you to believe me. If they forge some boozer signature to disappear a bullet, that's a cover-up, period.
방금 전 아무 말 못한 것이 미안한 로폰트.
For the record, Renee, I will always have your back.
그리고 퇴근 후 예전 파트너였던 켄이 벨러드를 찾아옵니다.
Someone ducking your call?
What do you want, Ken?
Oh, come on, I don't even get a hello.
Did you drive here?
I had a few beers, okay?
술에 취한 켄. 그는 벨러드가 올리바스를 신고했을 때 파트너임에도 편히 되어주지 않았습니다. 그래서 오히려 피해자인 그녀가 손가락질 당하는 걸 볼 때마다 죄책감이 밀려왔었죠.
You're my partner, and I should have had your back.
I wasn't just your partner. I was your fucking friend. You know what kills me about this? You're not here for me. You're here for you and your own guilt.
No, I'm...
You're an asshole.
켄을 밀어내며 차에 올라탑니다. 콜린은 책에서 딕과 잠자리를 한 루시란 여성을 찾아냅니다. 그래서 그녀를 신문하기 위해 사무실로 부르죠.
We have a surveillance budget now?
Rawls brought his toys.
Nice.
신문이 시작됩니다.
It wasn't really a relationship. We just hooked up.
The last time was
the night before the party. The night before he died.
벨러드는 조심히 책의 존재를 물어봅니다.
Oh God, the body count book?
It's called the body count book?
Yeah, that's what they called it.
그런데 그녀는 철없던 시절의 추억인지 그 책을 대수롭지 않게 생각했죠.
Present day me recognizes that that book is horrendous and men are trash. But back then, I wasn't upset. I know, it's crazy, but I was kind of curious what he wrote about me.
단지 자신을 어떻게 평가했는지 알고 싶어 책을 보았고 거기서 닉에게 여자친구가 있다는 걸 알게 된 루시.
But then it was obvious that Nick had a girlfriend. I felt terrible because she lived on my floor. Meredith something.
메러디스에 대한 평가는 심했습니다.
He wrote about her inexperience. He called her a cold fish and nicknamed her Sushi.
Will you find Meredith's page? Open it up for me.
Sure. It's just a few pages before mine.
하지만 그녀의 페이지는 찢어지고 없었죠.
It should be right here.
네, 정황으로 보면 범인은 메러디스인 것 같습니다. 메러디스를 부릅니다.
We weren't together long, but losing Nick derailed me a bit.
Do you remember anything strange the night he died?
Just a regular party. Drinking, dancing.
메러디스의 몰골은 주체했습니다. 마치 죄책감에 시달리며 오랜 시간 편히 못 지낸 것처럼 보이죠.
What is it?
Well, they called it the body count book. Can you take a look?
그녀는 대충 책을 살펴보다 덮어버리고 벨러드는 곧장 본론으로 들어갑니다.
Meredith, I know you had a page in this book. And I know you tore it out.
I didn't.
I don't blame you. After what he did, after what he said about you in here, I would have done the same thing.
그녀가 공감을 해주자 감정이 밀려오는 메러디스.
I thought he would apologize. But he just laughed. In my face.
그녀의 분노는 폭력으로 이어졌습니다.
I just wanted him to hurt the way that he hurt me. So I hit him.
Hit him with what?
That thing.
책으로 머리를 공격하고 비틀거리는 닉을 난간에서 밀어버린 메러디스. 네, 그녀가 닉을 죽였습니다.
What about Nick's sister?
She's meeting me here soon.
Gonna be a bitter pill finding out her brother was no saint.
피해자가 나쁜 사람이라고 해서 미제의 사건이 묻혀야 하는 것은 아닙니다.
You a cop?
Sorry, what?
I just asked if you were a cop.
No, just an intern. But you should know I don't date cops.
Oof. You won't me. Well, maybe.
you don't date cops, because you haven't met me yet.
벨라드는 로라의 사건의 용의자였던 해리스가 사망하자 그의 알리바이를 증명해줬던 레녹스를 찾아갑니다.
So, Adam Lennox, what was Bosch's take on him during the initial investigation?
He thought he was covering for Harmon Harris, just couldn't figure why. Maybe now that he's dead, he'll give it up.
레녹스는 연기자의 꿈을 펼치지 못했지만 이렇게 촬영장에서 요리를 하며 배우의 곁을 맴돌고 있었죠.
You alibied for him back in 08 in the Laura Wilson murder, is that right?
Yeah, I told the detective back then that he'd be crazy to think Harmon could do something like that.
That would be Detective Bosch?
I forget his name. Super intense guy, though.
Yeah, that would be Detective Bosch.
레녹스는 로라를 죽인 범인은 절대로 해리스가 아니라고 말합니다.
I know it wasn't Harmon. Okay. He was a decent guy. Took care of a lot of people back then.
Must have been hard to lose him then.
The whole thing was a nightmare. But it wasn't Harmon.
집요하게 묻는 질문에 어쩔 수 없이 오프 더 레코드로 증언을 하는데 로라가 죽던 시간 해리스는 떠오르는 신인 배우와 함께 있었습니다.
He was covering for the other guy.
This guy's career just started to really take off. Outing him would have ended all that. So I said it was me.
그리고 로라의 집 근처에서 보았던 의심스러운 차량에 대해 말해주는데
Yeah, license plate started with a 4. It was a blue Ford. It was a beater.
Wait, it was a Ford?
Mm-hmm.
Didn't say that in the report.
Funny. I wouldn't have known that back then. My brother-in-law bought one just like it a couple of years ago. Definitely a Ford.
어떤 차량인지 알게 되며 용의 차량이 상당량 줄어듭니다.
Today we have narrowed it down to 378 blue Ford vans.
Ooh, look smaller haystack.
Split up these VIN numbers, look for criminal records or anything else that may be a flag.
이때 마르티나가 대학 친구의 도움으로 신원 미상자 사건의 총알을 AI로 복원합니다.
Yeah, they used photos of the bullet from the John Doe autopsy.
Right. My friend, he interns at a place that builds renderings of crime scene evidence for lawyers.
Oh, that's cool.
하지만 이것은 법적 효력이 없기 때문에 사건과 관련이 있는지 참고만 가능합니다. 프레디를 찾아갑니다.
Astonishingly accurate. You know AI is going to take our jobs, right? And it's going to kill us in our beds.
프레디는 구현된 총알로 이 총이 사용된 사건을 더 찾아냅니다.
Southeast Division case from November 2023. A suspect named Javier Fuentes.
Charges?
Gang member in possession of a loaded firearm, discharging a firearm.
Could be he's still in custody.
Maybe we can keep him there for murder.
사무실로 돌아옵니다. 그런데
Listen.
What's up?
It's about Chastain.
Is he calling you now?
There's a car accident. Chastain is dead.
전봇대를 들이박는 사고로 현장에서 사망했다는 켄. 얼마 전 그를 보았을 때 그는 몸도 가누지 못할 만큼 술에 취해 있었죠.
Let's get back to work.
벨러드는 파코와 감옥에 있는 하비를 만나기로 합니다.
You picked up your badge.
Yeah. I'm official now.
그녀는 경찰 복귀가 아닌 롤스의 보안회사에 취업해 보안경찰 배지를 받았습니다.
Mr. Fuentes, you were arrested in...
Call me Little Javi. I want to hear it come out of your mouth.
하비는 불법 총기를 발포한 죄로 잡혀 있습니다. 그런데 그의 총에서 발사된 총알에 총열흔이 신원미상자 사건의 피해자를 죽인 총알과 일치했습니다.
You were arrested for possession and discharge of a firearm, November 2023?
Parole violation and time served. If I ever get in front of a judge.
Maybe, except we've just connected that gun to a murder.
No comeback for that?
하비는 억울해하며 자신은 총이 필요해 누군가에게 받은 것이라고 핑계를 댑니다.
If you didn't do it, where'd you get the gun?
I don't remember. I found it. All I know is I didn't kill that dude. I wouldn't go near him.
Why? Who is he?
누군가 신원 미상자를 죽인 후 하비에게 총을 준 게 분명합니다. 조금만 협박하면 모든 걸 풀겠죠.
Tell us, or your name starts coming out of our mouths on the streets. Lil Javi.
Zacatecas. Nuevas.
네, 신원 미상자의 정체가 드디어 밝혀집니다. 하지만 하비는 누구에게 총을 받았는지 입을 굳게 다물어 버립니다.
Hey, Ballard. I heard the funeral is tomorrow. I guess this wife wanted to get it over with. You going?
Yeah, there's a lot going on. We'll see.
세라의 사건과 로라의 사건, 그리고 신원 미상자의 사건과 그의 아기까지 챙겨야 할 것이 너무 많은데 켄의 장례식이 코앞으로 다가옵니다. 사실 켄과 벨러드는 정말 친한 친구였습니다. 그녀의 생일을 켄이 가족이 직접 챙겨줄 만큼 사이가 돈독했죠. 한편 콜린은 창의력을 발휘해 사로 시작하는 파란색 포드 차량을 일일이 찾지 않고 우리가 찾는 차량과 비슷한 용의 차량에 있는 사건을 찾아봅니다.
Kathy Goodman, 27, was on vacation in Vegas. Single woman traveling alone, strangled to death in her motel.
교살. 이 사건의 피해자도 목 졸려 죽었습니다. 그리고 파란색 포드 차량도 목격됐죠.
I should call Vegas PD, right? See if they'll send the murder book?
You can't, actually. It needs to be someone with a badge.
What?
사건 보고서를 받아오는 롤스. 이 사건은 1998년에 일어났으니 그 이후에 생산된 차량은 모두 제외됩니다.
But if we work under the assumption that it is the same killer, we can assume that the van was manufactured before 1998, which narrows the amount of vans that we have to track from 378 to 54.
동료들은 남은 리스트에서 가장 의심되는 차량을 발견합니다.
We found a 95 blue Ford registered to a dude named Coleman up in Topanga, and he's got a record for stalking.
당장 용의자의 집으로 향하는 벨러드.
Martinez said Topanga. I didn't know she meant this far out.
We should have taken my Beamer. Bulletproof windows. Perks of owning my own security company.
It's a door knock, Rawls. Calm down.
그런데 집에는 아무도 없었죠.
Rawls? I told you this was just a door knock.
I'm just taking a look.
뒤쪽을 살핍니다.
Son of a bitch.
Now what do we do?
Now we call for backup.
당장 쫓아가는 벨러드. 지원을 요청합니다.
4 King 80 requesting backup airship Topanga Canyon.
하지만 외진 숲이라 무전이 터지지 않습니다.
That's not good.
어쩔 수 없이 단독으로 추적하는 벨러드.
Look at that dust. All right, keep your eyes on the back doors as we approach. I'm gonna cover you while you clear the passenger side, but slow and easy. Shots fired ends badly for everyone.
Exit the vehicle, put your hands up. Police, exit the vehicle.
Passenger side clear.
LAPD, drop your weapon
Get off my
now!
goddamn land! I don't care what kind of PI you are.
Coleman, we are LAPD. Drop your weapon!
Give her bullshit restraining orders.
We are investigating a murder.
Murder?
Put the gun
What
down!
the hell's she saying now?
Drop your weapon now!
It's not fair.
Backup's on the way, sir.
She has everything!
그때 범인이 울부짖습니다.
I just want to see my kids. I just want to see my kids. All right? I'm not a stalker. I swear. I didn't kill anybody.
벨러드는 이 남성은 우리가 찾는 포드 차량의 주인이 아닌 걸 단번에 알아챕니다.
Hey, Teddy. Hey.
Hey, buddy, this kickoff.
Yeah, sorry, I was stuck in the woods for an hour waiting for the blue suits to impound that.
Let's get you a drink. Huh?
Yeah.
Your case talk not bad, okay? I don't want to get his hopes up about Sarah until we got a solid lead.
No!
제이크는 아버지께 헛된 희망을 주고 싶지 않습니다. 그래서 조용히 사건 보고를 받는데 롤스는 벨러드가 세라의 사건에만 집중하지 않는 걸 지적합니다.
Hey, look, she might be in pain, but she's right for the job.
하지만 제이크는 벨러드를 향한 신임이 흔들리지 않습니다. 그러나 비서인 넬슨은 달랐습니다.
Jake can feel what he wants about Ballard, but he pays me to think for him. If she's bungling the investigation, I need to know.
Oh, no, I wouldn't go that far.
마르티나는 산토스란 남자친구가 생깁니다.
But if you're gonna get me into soccer, I'm gonna get you into football.
The steroid-fueled confession factory? I don't think so.
그는 경찰 신분을 숨기고 그녀에게 접근했죠.
I would kill for the experience you're getting in cold cases. And shooting for detective in a couple years.
벨라드는 신원 미상자 사건의 피해자를 특정합니다.
Just got confirmation from the authorities in Mexico. Luis Ibarra is definitely our John Doe.
드디어 이름을 알았습니다. 내일은 휴일이지만 조사를 계속하려는 벨라드. 그런데 러폰트와 바커는 내일이 켄의 장례식인 걸 상기시켜줍니다.
He was your partner. You shouldn't let those RHD assholes keep you away.
She's right. Whatever the baggage, you'll regret it if you don't go.
벨라드는 켄과 끝이 안 좋았어도 얼마든지 장례식은 갈 수 있습니다. 하지만 그곳에 있을 자신을 이상하게 바라볼 동료들의 눈빛이 두려웠죠.
You two made a great team. Just came by to offer my condolences. Never lost a partner. Can't imagine.
Saved us some seats over here, Robert.
러폰트와 바커는 그녀에게 힘이 되어주고 싶어 참석했습니다.
She thought you could use some solidarity today.
그리고 장례식은 많은 사람들이 참석하여 가족을 떠나보내는 쓸쓸함을 함께 해줬죠.
First day I met him, Cap called me in. I'm expecting to meet my new partner. And there was this kid, baby face, wide-eyed, ready to fight for the good in the world. I thought to myself, how in the hell did this mook make detective?
벨라드는 켄의 아내를 만납니다.
It would have meant a lot to him that you're here. I know things didn't end well between you. We had a lot of good times, too. He told me about your argument the other night. And he knew he got it wrong, Renee. About Olivas. He overheard something at work recently. Olivas joking about sleeping with an ex-partner. It was like he had crossed a line with this woman. And Ken realized you were telling the truth. It hit him hard, Renee.
다음날 수사는 계속됩니다. 우선 하비의 요청으로 면회를 가는 벨라드. 그런데 그는 형량 협상을 조건으로 모든 것을 진술하겠다고 말합니다.
What kind of deal?
Time served. A protection.
Well, I'll take it to the DA, but she'll only deal if the intel's good.
그리고 하비의 말에서 나온 것들은 놀라웠습니다.
The gun that killed Ibarra was like recycled.
We know the cartel runs guns through Mexico and back. It's not our jurisdiction.
It's not the cartel. It's the cops.
Go on.
A ring of cops is running hot guns. They take them straight off the streets and sell them to the cartel for big bank.
증거를 빼돌려 카르텔에게 판매하고 수사 정보를 흘려 돈을 받는 경찰들이 있다.
Who gave it to you?
It was definitely a cop. LAPD. White dude. 40s. Street guys call him Montana.
벨라드는 관할 지역에서 백인 남성의 40대인 경찰을 찾아봅니다.
What did Javi say? Mid-40s, white. Here are 6 candidates.
그리고 이 중에 난폭한 성격으로 유명한 경찰이 있었죠.
This guy, Anthony Driscoll. He's got more than a few complaints against him for excessive force.
Javi said Montana was violent.
In lieu of termination, resigned 2022. Under the influence of illegal narcotics.
Wait, what'd you say his name was?
Anthony Driscoll.
Anthony, a.k.a. Tony. Who's another Tony with a violent streak and a drug problem? Tony Montana?
하비를 찾아가 사진을 보여줍니다. 그리고 단번에 드리스커를 지목하는 하비.
That's him right there. That's the cabron they call Montano.
이젠 물러설 수 없습니다. 동료 경찰을 다시 수사해야 하는데 예전 일 때문인지 벨라드의 표정은 밝아 보이지 않았고 그녀의 행동은 하나하나가 조심스러웠죠.
The complaint you filed against Olivas, right?
Yeah. You know what that was about?
Figured if you wanted me to know.
I want you to know.
그리고 벨라드는 어디에도 말하지 않았던 올리바스가 자신을 파티장으로 데려가 술을 진탕 마시게 한 이야기를 해줍니다. 그리고 정신을 차렸을 땐 모든 것이 끝나 있었고 그녀는 이것을 고발했지만 아무도 그녀의 편을 들어주지 않았죠.
I thought he would back me up, but he didn't. So, Olivas got away with it.
심각해지는 바커의 표정.
I'm sorry that happened to you.
어쩌면 그녀는 올리바스에게 비슷한 일을 겪은 건 아닐까요?
Have a good night, Ballard.
Tell me about your new girlfriend. Peekaboo.
드리스컬은 겉보기엔 멋진 남성처럼 보입니다.
It's okay. Now you be a good boy for your mom now.
Okay.
All right. Thanks.
하지만 그가 어떤 모습을 숨기고 있는지 주변 사람들도 모르고 있죠. 다음날 아침부터 넬슨이 세라 사건의 진행 상황을 보고받습니다.
Waiting for one to come along isn't exactly a great look, Ross.
Good morning.
Oh, hey.
그는 세라가 아닌 로라의 범인을 집중 추적하는 것이 불만입니다.
You know, it's a lot of man hours devoted to these vans, though. Are you sure you're not putting all your eggs in one basket?
A blue Ford van was spotted at 2 murders that we related to Sarah's case.
넬슨은 친절하게 웃으며 물러서지만
We'd really like to see Sarah's case closed before the ballots go out.
이 미소 뒤에 어떤 생각을 하고 있을지 아무도 모릅니다.
How about a weekly check-in moving forward to make sure we're all on the same page?
Sure.
사실 가장 답답한 건 벨러드입니다. 세라의 사건은 신원을 특정할 수 없는 DNA가 마지막 증거고 이것과 같은 DNA가 발견된 로라의 사건에선 파란색 펜이 마지막 단서입니다.
We are running out of road on both these cases, so I'm really hoping one of these vans pays off.
벨러드는 용의 차량을 5개로 줄이고 차량 주인을 하나씩 만나봅니다.
Jenny Garrison? Yeah. We've got some questions about a van you scrapped in 2009.
그러던 중 30년 전 남편이 차를 가지고 사라졌다는 여성.
He ran off with someone. Another woman. I haven't seen or heard from him since.
함께 사라진 여성의 이름은 데니즈 맥켄지란 여성입니다.
Why didn't you ever report the van stolen?
Mike was an abusive prick. If that van was the price for my freedom, I got off cheap.
남편의 칫솔이 있는지 물어봅니다. DNA만 일치하면 모든 것이 끝이죠.
Do you have any of his belongings from back then?
I gave it all away. The only trace I have left of him is the one good thing he gave me. My daughter.
딸이 있다. 가능합니다. 범인의 DNA 표본이 있으니 딸과의 일출만으로도 남편 마이크가 범인인지 아닌지 특정할 수 있습니다. 그런데
I just found out Denise McKenzie has been missing for the last 28 years.
What? Holy moly.
Yeah. Parents reported her missing in Salt Lake City in 1997. No mention of Mike, which means that they probably didn't know about the relationship.
점점 마이크가 범인일 가능성이 높아집니다. 함께 사라진 맥켄지가 실종 상태니 어쩌면 마이크의 첫 희생자가 그녀일지도 모르죠. 딸을 부릅니다.
I knew my dad was a deadbeat, but this is crazy.
그리고 DNA 샘플을 제취합니다.
If I open this door, I might not like what I find.
Believe me. If there was any other option, I would not ask you to do this.
결과를 기다리며 드리스컬이 잔입 수사를 하며 가장 큰 공을 세웠던 작전을 찾아냅니다.
The investigation relied heavily on undercover LAPD officers who were part of a task force run by the DEA.
So if Driscoll was a part of that operation,
I could find some of his criminal contacts.
or corrupt cops.
해당 작전을 진행한 DEA 요원을 찾아갑니다.
Do you remember a detective named Anthony Driscoll?
Yeah, sure I do. He was integral. We made 13 arrests. Brought in a huge haul of fentanyl. Yeah, we did a lot of good. Could have done more.
How do you mean?
It was the cartel bosses we really wanted. They slipped through.
How?
Informant.
그 작전은 마약 속으로 급습한 뒤 정보원을 빼내 그가 모든 것을 진술하기로 한 작전입니다.
He said he would tell us everything we needed to know if we would just get him out. He had a girlfriend and a kid. Just wanted a new life.
Do you happen to remember the informant's name?
I something. Ibanez? No, Ibarra.
Luis
Luis Ibarra. That's all.
이바라. 네, 신혼 미상자 사건의 피해자입니다. 이때 드리스컬은 그가 멕시코로 도망쳤다고 했지만 분명 카르텔 보스의 사주를 받아 그가 죽인 거겠죠. 대단합니다.
Driscoll's either incredibly reckless or he thinks he can't be touched.
Or both.
The DEA didn't bat an eye at his story. He must think he's Teflon.
He's not. We just have to find our way in.
드리스컬은 지금 경찰에서 은퇴했습니다. 하지만 그때의 연주를 아직도 쥐고 있고 여전히 이득을 취하고 있죠.
We only have one shot at this guy. We can't bring him in unless we have some leverage. So first off, we have to nail down Driscoll's whereabouts the day Ibarra was killed.
How do we manage that? Figuring out where he was on a random day 5 years ago.
Past is always present, my friend.
그때 마이크의 차량이 견인된 기록을 찾아내고 현장으로 향합니다.
We're looking for anything you might have on a vehicle that was crushed here back in 09.
아쉽게도 차량은 예전에 폐차된 상태입니다.
I found it. Van was towed here from a storage facility on Oxnard.
Oh, you want to go there now?
Oh, you bet you're behind I do. This is our first niddle.
You and your rabbit hole.
이때 마르티나는 산토스에게 사무실을 보여줍니다.
This is where the magic happens.
보드판과 주변을 열심히 살펴보는 산토스.
We found the gun, but it led us to a guy with an airtight alibi.
Still, I'm impressed.
드리스컬을 만나 수사 상황을 보고하는데
What do you got for me?
Case is dead in the water.
You sure?
They got no leads, no suspects. Whole department's bankrolled by that city councilman, the one with the dead sister. That's what they're focused on.
산토스의 말에도 드리스컬은 의심을 풀지 않았죠.
No, I'm telling you, I don't think there's anything for us to do.
발끈하는 드리스컬.
Like I said, I'm not a monster. It's not gonna come to that, right? You won't let it?
Okay, our records do show a van was towed in 2009 from Unit E36. Belongs to a Mike Garrison.
Wait. Belongs? He still uses it?
롤스는 놀라운 사실을 알아냅니다. 용의자인 마이크가 아직도 창고를 사용하고 있었습니다.
Ballard, we're gonna need a warrant.
벨러드는 영장을 들고 미친 듯이 악셀을 밟습니다.
She's on her way. She'll be here any minute.
So you keep saying.
It's nice of you to join us, by the way.
Oh, I don't miss the fun stuff.
Seriously, I got a family. It's time for me to go, which means it's time for you to...
Got a couple of black and whites standing by.
CCTV도 없는 창고에서 우편을 통해 현금으로 모든 걸 결제한 용의자.
Let's cut it.
Oh dear. What do you think are in these?
Could be anything. Photographs, body parts.
Holy shit.
It's Laura Wilson's.
현장에 경찰들이 도착합니다. 그리고 서장은 연쇄 살인이 확실한 이 사건을 강력반에 넘기려고 하지만 벨러드는 완강하게 거절합니다.
Ballard, you have a small team of volunteers.
The same volunteers that got us here.
결국 고집을 꺾지 못해 벨러드가 사건을 가져가고 벨러드는 이 범인이 세라도 죽였을 거라며 증거품 중에 세라의 물건이 있는지 제이코와 그의 아버지를 불러 확인합니다.
There's so many of them.
We've linked some of them to other victims already. I know it's been a long time, but if you could identify anything of Sarah's, it would really help us out.
하지만 아버지는 세라가 살아있을 때 많은 시간을 함께 보내지 못했기 때문에 그녀에 대해 아는 것이 많지 않았습니다.
I'm sorry. My wife, she would have been so much better at this.
한편 수감시설의 간호사가 자태를 살피다 합의가 보이지 않는 걸 알아챕니다.
Hey, Angela. Javier Fuentes is a half hour late to PT.
That's an old schedule. He got moved to K10.
이유도 없이 수감시설을 옮겼다는 말에 표정이 변하는 간호사. 그리고 누군가에게 전화를 거는데 놀랍게도 드리스컬이었죠.
Javier Fuentes? Apparently he got moved to K10.
What's interesting about that?
The timing.
Happened pretty soon after a couple of detectives paid him a visit.
Don't know if one thing has anything to do with the other, but
It usually does.
You got names for these detectives?
Outside my purview. You want to know more? I gotta make more.
벨러드는 세라의 집에서 발견된 DNA와 마이크의 딸 DNA를 비교한 결과를 받아보지만 두 사람의 샘플은 유사하지 않았습니다. 그런데
It was to a cold case up in Crestline. A John Doe found in the mountains.
1997년에 발견된 신원 미상 시체의 DNA가 딸과 유사한 걸 알아냅니다. 네, 이것은 마이크의 시체입니다. 그는 세라가 죽기 전 사망한 거죠. 마이크도 범인이 아니었습니다. 벨러드는 관할 경찰서를 찾아가 혹시 마이크와 함께 도망친 여성의 시체는 없었는지 물어봅니다. 그리고 같은 지역에서 몇 년 뒤 여성의 시체가 발견된 걸 알려줍니다.
Winter of 1999, Jane Doe, found 10 miles from your garrison. Emmy determined she was mid-20s, Caucasian female, but her COD was different from that fella. He was stabbed over a dozen times.
And Jane Doe?
Manual strangulation. The body was too decomposed to get DNA. You'll need dental records.
이것은 맥켄지의 시체가 분명합니다. 범인은 마이크를 제압하고 맥켄지를 처리한 게 분명합니다.
Why the hell is it always 2 steps back? With this case?
Maybe interrupted the killer mid-attack? Made him angrier?
We're too focused on the suspects. Over here, we need to get back to the victims. Back to their commonalities.
벨러드는 작전을 바꿔 피해자들 사이에서 공통점을 찾으려고 합니다. 그것을 찾는다면 분명 범인을 특정할 수 있는 단서가 나올 겁니다.
This guy's smart, but he's not perfect. He just needs to have made one mistake.
러폰트는 드리스컬의 집 근처에서 잠복 근무를 하다 그가 나타나자 벨러드를 불러 미행을 합니다. 주차장으로 들어가는 드리스컬.
No way we can follow him in there without seeing.
그때 경찰차 한 대가 따라 들어갑니다.
Still the cops.
There's another deck up there. Maybe we can get a different angle.
반대편 건물에서 살펴보는 벨러드. 하지만
We gotta get that shop number. If we know who signed it out, we know who's dirty.
You think we'd have a better angle on a different level?
I don't want to draw attention switching levels. I'm gonna go on foot.
드리스컬은 간단히 용무만 전달하고 사라집니다.
Christ.
Yeah.
On the move, northeast exit.
Shit! Damn it!
그런데 다음 날 놀라운 소식을 듣게 되죠.
Hoppy got attacked in the showers.
Is he still alive?
Yeah, well, for now.
하비가 누군가에게 공격당했다는 변호사. 그가 경찰과 접선한 소식을 드리스컬이 들은 게 확실한데 벨러드는 그가 어떻게 정보를 얻었는지 모르니 환장을 노르십니다.
Look, Ballard, are you sure your people are locked down?
I can guarantee there's no leak on my side. Is he under 24-hour surveillance?
Yeah, I'm here now. Look, the word's out, detective. People know he talked.
그날 밤 집으로 돌아온 벨러드.
Hey, Annie. You wanna go out for a peek? Let's do it.
That
911, what's your emergency?
This is Detective Renee Ballard, LAPD. I was attacked in my home. Suspect needs immediate medical attention.
I have an ambulance en route. ETA is 5 minutes.
It's too long.
응급처치를 해보지만 상처가 너무 깊어 그대로 현장에서 사망합니다.
Her throat was compressed in the attack. She'll be hoarse for a while.
벨러드는 경찰에게 자신이 수사하고 있는 용의자가 드리스컬이었다고 진술합니다. 그동안 누굴 믿어야 할지 몰라 숨기고 있었는데 사실 관계를 알아야 혐의에서 벗어날 수 있으니 모든 걸 진술합니다. 하지만 벨러드에 대한 소문을 들었던 형사들은 그녀를 쉽게 놓아줄 생각이 없었죠.
An ambulance is waiting. Let's pick this up tomorrow.
We're gonna need her clothes.
This is not my first rodeo. You'll get her clothes once she's changed at the hospital.
병원으로 향하며
You okay?
Things gonna be fine.
드리스컬의 휴대폰을 몰래 건넵니다. 다음 날
You look like hell.
서장이 찾아옵니다.
How come you never told me an ex-cop was a suspect in your John Doe case?
I just didn't get a chance. It all came together so fast.
그런데 서장은 경찰이 조직적으로 범죄와 연관되었다는 정황이 나오자 신원 미상자의 사건을 강력반이 수사하도록 가져가려 합니다.
So those are, I'm sorry, flowers, not Cantwell flowers.
물론 버첨 서장이 드리스컬과 한패는 아니겠지만 강력반은 분명 부패 경찰이 있을 겁니다.
Hey, Ballard.
Hi.
Got you staying at the Sand Dollar Motel until this offload's over.
Sounds lovely.
서장은 수사가 끝날 때까지 벨러드에게 경호를 붙입니다. 그리고 소식을 들었는지 보쉬가 찾아오죠.
So LaFont dropped by my crib last night sometime after 1. Gave me a phone.
러폰트에게 폰을 받은 보쉬는 모든 데이터를 복사하고 이것을 강력반이 발견하도록 드리스컬의 집에 심어두고 사라집니다.
Who's Anthony Driscoll?
Murdered a John Doe in one of my cold cases. And then I find out this guy's running guns and drugs between the Zacatecas Nuevas cartel and the LAPD.
카르텔이 이번 공격을 지시한 거라면 정말 위험합니다.
This was a cartel hit. We wouldn't be sitting here right now talking.
하지만 지금까지 살아있는 걸 보면 드리스컬의 독단적인 행동이 분명합니다.
And I still cannot believe you took a cell phone from a crime scene.
I was gonna give it back.
Yeah. Oh man, I'm beginning to like you more and more.
수사를 할 수 없는 벨러드는 보쉬에게 드리스컬의 통화 상대를 추적해달라고 말합니다. 물론 그가 통화한 사람은 모두 대포폰을 사용했지만 이것은 보쉬에게 문제가 되지 않았죠.
Burner Boy is back there, 7 o'clock.
Another blue suitor. I don't know. I'll call in the shop number, see who signed it out.
그리고 다음 날.
Hey, Harry.
We traced another number from Driscoll's cell phone. I wanted you to see it for yourself.
You gotta be fucking kidding me.
벨레드가 공격받은 당일 올리바스는 불이 나게 현장으로 향합니다.
Got any leads on that piece of shit in there? You have a wallet on him? Cell phone?
No, but Ballard ID'd him. Guy's an ex-cop.
혹시 자신들의 정보가 담긴 증거가 나오진 않을까 걱정하는 올리바스.
You okay?
다음날 직접 드리스컬의 자택 수사에 참여하고 보쉬가 놓고 간 폰을
Let's go, boys.
아무렇지 않게 챙긴 뒤 강력계로 넘어온 벨러드의 서류를 살펴봅니다. 드리스컬에 대한 정보 외엔 아무것도 없는 걸 확인하자 안도의 한숨을 쉬는 올리바스.
Driscoll tried to kill a cop.
What if he talked? He could have told her about the whole operation.
Look, if he talked, Ballard would have kept him around to testify.
I am out. This whole thing is sideways.
And what, Pincher? You gonna just walk away? I saw her book. Right, she's got Driscoll tied to this 5-year-old Ibarra murder, and that's as far as she got. She doesn't even know that we exist.
올리바스는 변하는 건 없다며 자신이 카르텔과 연락을 할 테니 예전처럼 돈을 벌자고 말합니다.
Running this thing now?
You're welcome to the job if you want it.
산토스는 드레이스컬이 자신에게 시킨 마르티나와의 만남을 정리해야 하는지 물어보는데
Hey, Driscoll had me working this intern at the Amundsen.
올리바스는 벨러드 쪽 상황을 주시해야 한다며 마르티나를 계속 만나라고 말합니다.
Stay on her. See if Ballard's gonna keep digging.
벨러드는 꽤 많은 부패 경찰의 정체를 밝혀냈습니다.
Marshall Sky pulled 14 numbers off of Driscoll's phone, all burners. We traced one of them directly to Olivas last night. 3 of those burners are in Mexico, one of them's in state prison. That leaves 9 here in LA.
They're still operational?
Yeah.
Didn't know we're onto them.
Exactly. Which is why we have to move fast.
하지만 이 리스트에 산토스는 빠져있죠.
And there could be more. Mo's still tracking down the other numbers.
벨러드는 동료들에게 당부합니다. 자신들이 쫓기는 걸 모르게 해야 그들을 잡을 수 있다.
They don't know we're onto them, and it has to stay that way. So, work other cases, make it look like business as usual, right?
벨러드는 신혼 미상자 사건의 피해자인 이바라의 아내를 찾아내는데 그녀는 남편과 미국으로 넘어온 불법 체류자였습니다. 그리고 남편이 잃어버린 아들을 반드시 찾아주겠다고 약속하는 러폰트.
Luis's case may be closed. That doesn't mean we'll stop looking for your son.
이때 마르티나는 산토스의 집에서 데이트합니다.
So what's up with work? You said they took that big serial case away?
We still got plenty to do. There's 6,000 cold cases in the LAPD.
그리고 우연히 산토스의 진동을 듣게 되죠. (0666) 이 번호는 올리바스가 사용하는 대포폰 번호입니다. 마르티나는 이것을 단번에 알아보고 산토스가 자신을 속인 걸 깨닫죠. 그때
Are you okay?
Actually, I'm not feeling great. Yeah, I think maybe I should go home.
도망치려는 마르티나.
How about I drive you home?
No, I'm good. And I won't watch without you. Promise. Text you when I'm home.
곧장 벨러드를 찾아갑니다.
Can I come in? Of course.
그리고 산토스에 대해 모든 걸 말합니다.
Does Manny know you know?
I told him I was home and feeling sick.
돌이켜보면 이상했습니다.
He just asking about work and you.
하지만 이제라도 정체를 알았으니 다행입니다. 무엇보다 뿌리를 뽑아내기 위해 붙잡을 줄기가 필요했는데 산토스가 낙이었죠.
He could blow this case right open, but we need the right approach.
산토스는 신입 경찰입니다. 조금만 겁을 주면 분명 모든 걸 실토할 겁니다.
What about his apartment? He lives alone, right?
We don't know who's watching.
You get company.
I called Chief Hughes, tried to get you back on Sarah's case, but she said the scope was too big for your unit.
제이크는 어떻게든 벨러드에게 사건을 돌려주려 했지만 언론의 관심이 부담스러운 서장은 이것을 거절합니다.
No apology needed. This cannot be easy on you either.
하지만 신원 미상자 사건을 트리스컬까지 연결시킨 건 벨러드의 능력이었고 세라의 사건도 연쇄살인인 걸 밝혀낸 것은 벨러드의 팀이 없었다면 불가능했죠. 그때
He keeps texting me and I keep sending him the vomit emoji, but he wants to see me. What do I do?
놀라운 생각이 떠오른 벨러드. 그녀는 마르티나를 이용해 산토스를 불러내어 붙잡으려 합니다.
Sorry, boss, all due respect. That's the worst idea I've ever heard. She is the reason that we are in this mess.
Hey!
What? She is!
롤스는 마르티나의 능력에 의심을 품습니다. 하지만 그녀가 현장에 없다면 산토스가 눈치를 챌지도 모르죠.
Does anyone have a better idea? He trusts her. I trust her too. All she's doing is setting a meet and getting him to the table.
Does she have to be on site for that?
I want to see his face when he realizes he was burned.
콜린이 롤스를 부릅니다. 그리고 동료에게 막말을 한 걸 지적합니다.
You were a jerk back there. Anyone could have made the mistake she made. Anyone with actual feelings.
Feelings? Feelings have no place in any of this. Feelings are what got her into trouble to begin with.
God, you never back us up. Why can't you just support her?
사실 누구보다 힘든 건 마르티나 본인일 겁니다.
How you doing?
I feel like a clown. Oh. Great. Now I look like one.
산토스에게 빠져버린 건 잘못이라고 하긴 애매하지만
Let him make you think less of yourself. We can protect you.
그를 너무 쉽게 믿어버리고 수사 중인 사무실을 보여준 건 명백히 잘못한 겁니다.
You sure you can do this?
You're good.
Sorry.
Manny Santos? Detective Rick?
Whoa.
Stay down! Who are you running to, Manny? Huh? Chuck Tolley? Damon Pincher? Maybe Bunshu. Or leave us. They weren't even loyal to the badge. You think they're going to be loyal to you?
이제야 현실이 느껴지는 산토스. 트리스컬에게 돈을 받을 땐 이런 걸 생각하지 못했겠죠.
You can't take me to a station. If anyone finds out I'm talking to you, I'm a dead man.
Should have thought of that before you brought my teeth into this.
벨러드는 산토스에게 자백을 요구합니다.
You ID the other cops, provide testimony. There could be leniency.
고민하는 산토스.
Come on.
하지만 그는 이런 상황을 견딜 만큼 간이 크지 않았습니다.
My name is Officer Emmanuel Santos. I'm cooperating of my own volition.
산토스는 부패 경찰이 누구인지 어떻게 만나는지 모든 걸 실토합니다.
Olivas is in charge?
He is now.
이제야 미안한 감정이 떠오르는 산토스.
Can I see Martina? I just want to tell her I'm sorry.
I want to go home.
산토스의 증언을 서장에게 보여줍니다.
How could you not have read me in on this sooner?
You wouldn't have believed us without proof, especially considering Olivas' involvement.
All right. I'll send notifications up the chain.
Sir, there's still 2 burner phones that Manny can't ID. They could belong to anyone on the force, so I think we need more than IA on this. We need to bring the feds and maybe the DA's office.
I'll put something together.
그녀는 그동안 강력반은 아무것도 알아내지 못했다며 자신에게 사건을 맡겨달라고 설득합니다.
How many times do I have to prove that I deserve the authority to do my job? I just uncovered another rampart that until a few weeks ago was just a cold case in a box.
결국
You can have Perlman back.
세라의 사건만 가져오는 벨러드. 그리고 그녀는 마음속으로 품고 있던 한 가지 가설을 모두에게 털어놓습니다.
These women were advancing. Ochoa's fiancée, she had just gotten a job as a paralegal. She bought them a couple of expensive gold bracelets to celebrate. Laura Wilson had just booked her first national commercial campaign. And Josie Culver was canvassing for a woman who was aiming to break the thickest glass ceiling in American history. What if our killer was punishing these women for stepping out of their place?
피해자들은 대부분 모델과 선거 캠프 등 각자 위치에서 성공하자마자 봉변을 당했습니다. 어쩌면 범인은 단순한 여성을 혐오하는 사람일지도 모르죠.
Nothing comes to mind with Sarah, though.
하지만 문제는 세라입니다. 그녀는 사회로 진출도 하지 않은 대학생입니다.
It would help if we knew which souvenir was hers.
세라의 현장을 다시 살펴봅니다.
What is it?
It's lipstick. It was found under Sarah's bed, like she dropped it there. But she kept all her makeup in the bathroom.
That's not Sarah's.
How do you know?
That's Othello. It's a brand for black women. Was it tested for DNA?
I don't know.
안 했습니다. DNA 검사를 한다면 누구의 것인지 밝혀지겠죠.
If it wasn't Sarah's, then whose was it?
다음날 올리바스는 아이들을 등교시키고 돌아서는데 전화가 걸려옵니다.
You don't call me, Manny. I call you. What do you want?
We just wanted to see your face.
LAPD, Leo's hands up!
Easy. Hey.
Put your hands on your head! I want to see your head! Hands up!
You got no idea what you've done.
다음날
Results on the lipstick?
Yep. Darcy tested the actual lipstick, got a sample. And a hit in CODIS.
Hell yes.
DNA matched a woman named Naomi Bennett in the system for a 2003 felony.
다른 사람 집에 침입했다가 잡혔던 전과. 이번 사건의 범인과 비슷해 보이는데 혹시 범인에겐 여성 공범이 있었던 걸까요?
26 years old, living alone, asleep in her bed at the time.
Sounds like one of our victims.
What if our killer wasn't a solo act?
You think this Naomi person may be working with him?
Could be.
Female accomplice?
하지만 이 이론은 금방 깨집니다.
Flag in the play, the serial killer's accomplice theory doesn't hold. November 2000 Sawtell. Check it out.
나오미는 2000년도에 집에서 강도에게 폭행을 당한 기록이 있습니다. 그런데 사진에 목이 졸린 흔적이 역력하고 강도를 당한 물건은 값비싼 것이 아닌 소지품 몇 개뿐이었죠. 네, 그녀는 공범이 아닌 피해자입니다.
Naomi Bennett wasn't an accomplice. She was a victim.
A victim who survived.
벨러드는 수사 상황을 서장에게 보고합니다. 그리고 좋은 소식을 들려주는 서장.
Indictment should be coming in the next week or two. I bet it feels good, knowing what you've been through with Olivas.
모처럼 기쁜 마음으로 미소 짓는 벨러드. 그때
Whoa. Renee Ballard.
J. Edgar.
보쉬의 예전 파트너 에드거와 만나는데 그는 벨러드가 복귀하길 손꼽아 기다리고 있죠.
I'm glad, Ballard. I'm glad you landed on your feet.
Jury's still out.
I don't know. I'm hearing rumblings. You close this big one, they might bump you back up to homicide.
How many department rumors turn out to be true? Come on.
All right, this one has legs. I'm crossing my fingers because I could use a new partner.
Yeah, who they got you with?
They got me with Tomlinson. And I kid you not, this guy spends all day checking Bitcoin. Stay out of trouble, Renee.
벨러드는 유일한 생존자인 나오미를 찾아갑니다.
God, I hate this part. Miss Bennett?
그리고 그녀가 만난 사람은 강도가 아닌 연쇄 살인범인 걸 알려줍니다.
And I'm the only one.
I know. It's a lot to process.
몇 가지 진술을 부탁하는 파커.
We'd like to show you some things. See if they spark your memory.
하지만 그녀는 사고 당시 충격이 너무 커 지금까지 일부 기억을 떠올리지 못하는 트라우마를 겪고 있었죠.
I don't know.
Actually, you know, why don't we give you the night and we can speak to you in the morning. Okay?
나오미에게 안정을 취할 시간을 주며 근처에서 하루 묵기로 한 파커와 벨러드.
I still can't believe we got him.
Well, I don't know what business brings ladies like you to this fair part of the country, but God bless capitalism.
허풍이 심해 보이는 남성이 다가옵니다.
Oh, don't you worry. I got a permit for it. And, I know how to handle it.
Fastest hands in the West, I bet.
Like Billy the goddamn kid.
그리고 분색을 드러내는데
Well, what if I could get my hands on something to, light up the night a little bit? Catch my drift?
I think we do.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
You know what? I got a permit
for mine too.
Yeah.
Go on now.
Okay.
Yeah.
다음 날 나오미를 찾아갑니다. 하지만
I stayed up all night racking my brain, and I really want to help you, but there's nothing to tell.
그녀는 기억이 전혀 떠오르지 않아 증언을 거절합니다. 그때
I know this is hard, but the reality is we need you to do this for all the women that he's hurt, and all the women that he could hurt.
벨러드의 설득에 용기를 내어 사무실로 향하는 나오미. 그리고 젊은 시절 자신의 모습을 바라보며 사고가 일어나기 전 얼마나 열심히 살았는지 기억이 떠오릅니다.
I've been grinding through beauty school for years and paying my own way. And then I finally got a chair in a salon, and I was like, man, I skipped to work every day.
나오미도 나름 자신의 위치에서 성공을 거뒀습니다. 피해자들은 하나같이 좋은 일이 생긴 뒤 범행을 당했죠.
But for that to motivate our guy to go after Naomi, you'd have to know about it.
Exactly. So look for anyone with proximity, friends, family, employees at the salon, employees at the Jolie Strip Mall, anyone.
이때
What's this?
Everything about my relationship with Manny, right up to his arrest.
And why are you giving it to me?
Make sure it's thorough, professional. I don't want anything to screw this up.
I'm sure LaFont probably...
LaFont's too nice, to be honest. You like the tact to be polite.
롤스에게 진술서 검토를 부탁하는 마르티나. 그리고 롤스는 예전에 콜린이 한 소리 한 것이 마음에 걸렸던 걸까요?
No notes. Great job.
Really?
Actually, one note. That guy was an asshole. Wait. 2 notes. You know you deserve better than that, right? Okay. Good.
러폰트는 나오미의 주변 사람을 조사하다 용의자로 의심되는 남성을 발견합니다.
Casey Robbins have a record?
Oh, no, something more than that.
힐러리 선거 캠프에서 근무했던 조씨와 같은 동네에 살았던 남성. 그런데 나오미의 직장 근처에서도 살았던 기록이 있습니다.
He has a connection to 2 of our victims? That's something, all right.
I told you.
Can you get a photo of him from 2000?
나오미에게 케이시의 사진을 보여줍니다. 하지만 그녀는 케이시의 얼굴을 정확하게 떠올리지 못했죠.
Where's Casey right now?
I couldn't find a current on him, but found his mom, Woodland Hills.
케이시의 엄마 집으로 향합니다.
Yeah, I could believe a serial killer grew up here.
분위기가 묘한 저택.
Hi.
You're here about the dog, then.
The dog?
You're a little early. Don't just stand there.
위험해 보이지만 범인의 집일지 모르니 일단 들어가 봅니다.
You're a cop. I love law and order. You have the right to remain silent. You know, after the apocalypse, all that will be left are cockroaches and cop shows. And that will be just fine by me.
You live alone?
Well, I did till my son moved back in. Casey. He's a real mama's boy.
네, 용의자가 이곳에 살고 있습니다.
Is your son here right now?
No. No. He stepped out.
Do you mind if I use your restroom? I just had too much coffee on the way in.
화장실로 가 DNA가 남아있을 만한 칫솔을 찾는 벨러드. 그때
You okay? Hope you didn't fall in. Right to remain silent. Oh, well, come on now. Let's get what you came for.
Actually, I just realized that I need
Oh, dear. There you are, sweetie. Hi.
Who the hell is this?
She's the woman about the dog.
That woman can't... Who the hell are you?
She's a cop. Got a badge and everything.
Yeah, I think I should just get out of here.
That's a good idea.
Anything you say can and will be used
Step
against
aside.
you.
Step aside. Step.
Everything good in here?
Ross? Do you want to get the car started? Get Animal Services over here and call SAS. That creep doesn't go anywhere without a shadow.
Looked like a horror show in there. Think he'll consent to a search?
He doesn't have to. I already got his DNA.
하지만
God damn it.
DNA는 일치하지 않았고 어쩔 수 없이 나오미와 수사를 계속합니다. 범죄를 당했던
It's weird. Smells the same.
그 당시 집을 살펴봅니다.
That night I had drinks after work with a few friends from the salon and then I came home.
그때
That creek. I used to step over that creek. But that night, I heard it and I knew somebody was in the apartment.
나오미는 공포에 떨며 기억을 떠올리려고 노력합니다.
His eyes. I remember his eyes. They were brown.
You're sure?
하지만 얼굴은 정확하게 떠올리지 못했죠. 결국 근무하던 미용실을 다시 살펴보는 나오미.
Can you tell me which one the salon was?
My chair was by that window.
Do you remember any male clients that stood out to you?
Jolie only serviced women.
Any coffee shops or restaurants nearby that you go to?
I used to bring my own food.
그때 직원들이 뒤쪽으로 향하는 걸 목격합니다.
Why didn't she park in the lot? That employee. She didn't park in the lot.
직원들은 매장 앞에 주차를 못해 뒤쪽 길가에 주차를 했다는 나오미. 한번 살펴봐야겠습니다.
You know that building?
It was under construction back then.
어쩌면 인부 중에 범인이 있을지도 모릅니다.
There was a real estate office on the corner. It was renovated in 2000. I spoke to the owner and he said he was going to send me a list of subcontractors. Oh, he already did. Great. I'm going to forward this to you so that you can have a... No way.
What? No fucking way. That's gotta be a coincidence.
Naomi, these men may or may not have been involved in your attack. But can you tell me if you recognize any of them?
Okay.
알아보는 얼굴이 있는 나오미.
It's number 4. Definitely. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Naomi, are you sure?
So,
Tom, it's him. Gary Perlman.
맙소사 제이크와 세라의 아버지 게리가 범인이었습니다.
Perlman Electric was one of the subs on the Landmark Realty build-out. Gary watched her walk to her new job every day. To her new life.
She was on top of the world. And he couldn't have that.
why didn't anyone flag a connection in the DNA?
There wasn't one. I reviewed the results with Darcy myself. We need Gary's DNA. Where's Rawls?
I made you Ruffle's feathers. I get it, but replacing her would be a colossal mistake. And Jake, he needs to know that. I'm sorry, he said he'd be about 20 minutes. You don't mind me waiting here for him?
No, not at all. You've really changed your tune on her, haven't you? Can I assume she's making headway in Sarah's case?
Oh, yeah. We found a living victim. You believe that?
You're kidding.
No. Killer left her for dead in 2000.
So, what has she told you? I mean, did she ID the son of a bitch?
No, but it's been a lot of years, you know, a lot of trauma to wade through.
그때 전화가 울립니다.
Yo, boss, what's up?
Hey, Rawls, listen, I know this is gonna sound crazy, but it's true. Naomi just ID'd Gary Perlman. He's our killer.
What?
Yeah. We need you back here, now.
Yeah, I can.
Work on that for you.
Rawls, where are you?
I stopped by Jake's place. With his dad. But I'll be back at the office soon. Oh, Gary!
Wait!
Rawls? Any sign of the shooter?
No, ma'am. Car's in the garage. Let's lift on foot.
Lock down this neighborhood. No one goes in or out.
Roll over it.
롤스는 아직 살아있습니다.
How bad is it?
He's hanging in, but we've got to move.
Oh, no, Rawls. God damn it.
그런데 롤스의 차량이 보이지 않습니다. 아마 게리가 이것을 타고 도망쳤겠죠.
Pull up DMV registration for Ted Rawls. Put out a crime broadcast on his BMW ASAP. Suspect is Gary Perlman. He is armed and dangerous.
동료들에게 상황을 알립니다. 그때
Get Naomi somewhere safe until this guy's in custody. I need her
on lockdown.
현장에 제이크가 도착합니다. 그리고
Jake.
Is that my dad? Is he okay?
Jake, stop,
What are you doing? What are you doing here?
Stop.
Where's my dad?
Jake, it's not your dad. It's Rawls. These murders we've been investigating, they were committed by your father.
No. That can't be.
It was Gary all along.
No.
He killed Sarah. He killed all of them. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
No. No.
서장은 게리의 DNA가 발견됐을 때 왜 세라의 DNA와 일치하지 않았는지 의문을 품습니다.
Want to tell me what the hell happened with the DNA? You ran Sarah's weeks ago. Why didn't we get a familial match?
And the only thing I can think of is that Gary's not Sarah's biological father.
You think the wife had an affair?
She could have.
제이크를 신문합니다.
So you can't think of anywhere he may have gone?
게리가 숨을 만한 곳이 있는지 물어보지만 그는 아버지가 연쇄살인범이란 사실 그리고 동생까지 죽였다는 충격에 벗어나지 못하고 있었죠.
You know, I found her that night, Sarah. Got home from a friend's. I thought everyone was gone. It was so quiet. I went upstairs. Her door was open, and he must have heard me pull up, and that's why he went out the window. Wasn't 5 minutes later before he came through the front door like he just got home himself. I mean, none of it makes any sense. How can he be this monster at the same time?
여성을 미치도록 혐오하는 사이코패스. 그게 바로 게리입니다. 그때 놀라운 생각이 스쳐갑니다.
I know that the assumption is always that the suspect is going to run, but I don't think Gary Perlman is going to do that.
Why wouldn't he?
You know, we found a woman, Naomi Bennett, that he left for dead back in 2000. So based on what I know about him, I don't believe that he would leave her behind.
그는 나오미가 살아있는 걸 알면 그녀에게 패배했다고 생각할 거라며 이것은 그의 자존심에 절대로 허락하지 않을 거라고 말합니다.
The fact that Naomi is still out there and she's alive means that she won. I don't think he'll walk away from that.
Say you're right, then what? What would you have us do?
Make sure he knows that somehow.
How do we do that?
방송을 통해 미끼를 던집니다.
The diligent work of the LAPD's cold case unit uncovered a mountain of evidence that Gary Perlman left behind, including most recently a living victim, a woman who survived to tell her tale and to ID him.
나오미의 생존을 말해줍니다. 그리고 게리는 이것을 실시간으로 지켜보고 있었죠. 하지만
MTA security has Perlman on camera entering the building, but they lost him in the crowd.
He could be anywhere.
그는 추적의 혼란을 주기 위해 여러 방향의 기차와 비행기표, 렌트카까지 결제합니다. 이것은 복수가 아닌 도망을 결정한 게 명백해 보입니다.
When his credit card company rented a car too.
I want your team coordinating with MTA, Greyhound, Amtrak, budget rent-a-car, whatever. Follow each lead down, however long it takes. One of them's got to lead us to.
Yes, sir. SIS is on it.
Sir.
If we need more context on Perlman, we'll reach out to you. Understood?
렌트카가 발견됩니다.
Where's the car?
Authorities found it near the Mexican border in Arizona. They're flagging him with Border Patrol. But Gary probably crossed hours ago. We missed him, Ballard.
Yeah. Okay, thanks.
도망친 것이 분명해 보이는 게리. 만약 벨라드가 수사에 혼선을 주지 않았다면 잡을 수 있었을까요?
It's quiet around here.
After hours. How you holding up?
제이크는 아버지의 물건들을 벨라드에게 건네줍니다.
His records were a mess, but I think I got everything.
Thanks for putting all this together. There's still victims we haven't ID'd yet, so this could help us do that.
그리고
Hey, do you mind if I take a few of his things with me? I can have Hastings bring it to his family.
That'd be nice.
친구였던 롤스의 물건을 챙기는 제이크.
Hey, when you do find him, if you can, bring him in alive.
제이크가 떠난 뒤 퇴근을 준비하는 벨라드.
You really think you're gonna walk away from this, Renee?
캐리는 나오미가 아닌 TV에 나와 자신을 거만한 표정으로 조롱한 벨라드를 혼내주려 합니다.
You bitch!
This is Detective Renee Ballard. It's the training center. Advise responding units. Code 4. Suspects in custody. I need an RA for a male, white, approximately 70 years old. Suffered from a pretty messed up hand.
캐리는 붙잡힙니다. 그리고 그가 저지른 사건에 대해 신문을 받습니다.
You know, I knew she was one of them the minute I saw her face. Standing at the counter, going on and on with the sales girl.
I'm sorry. You said she was one of them. Who is them?
A certain kind of woman. Uppity, selfish, not ladylike.
그렇다면 세라는 왜 죽인 걸까요? 혹시 그냥 자신의 심기를 건드린 걸까요?
We didn't connect any souvenirs to Sarah. I guess you had plenty around the house. She seemed like a nice girl. Honor roll, cheerleader, theater club. How did your daughter fit the pattern?
She wasn't my daughter. But I raised her anyway, like she was. Because I believe in family first. And yet she dared to accuse me of infidelity.
That night?
She found some things in my truck, and she thought I was cheating on her mother.
She found your souvenirs. The lipstick. She thought you were having an affair. She had no idea.
She shouldn't have been looking through my things.
That's enough.
You copped all your victims?
The ones we've ID'd, yeah.
보쉬는 사건을 해결한 벨러드를 칭찬합니다.
And the world gains another psychopath. Looks like he really did a number on this place.
Caught me by surprise. I thought he'd go after our living victim, Naomi, but I had the psychology right. Just the wrong target.
Probably a good thing you don't actually think like a killer.
Well, Paz is always present, right?
What about your conspiracy case? Olivas and those other shitbird cops.
Well, it's with the DA's office now. And they're keeping me at arm's length, of course. I should know more when I see you next.
그리고 미제 사건 전담팀은 이바라의 아들을 찾아 엄마에게 돌려보내고 제이크는 세라의 무덤을 찾아 눈물을 쏟아냅니다. 그리고 벨러드는 오랜만에 서핑을 하며 휴식을 취하고 있는데
Renee!
Hey.
Hey, Harry, what are you doing here?
Reach out to my friend in the DA's office. Asked about your conspiracy case.
Tell me.
Goes before the grand jury next week. Charging 6 officers.
6? I gave him 7 names.
I know. They're gonna kick Olivas. He's gonna walk. Sorry.
검사를 찾아갑니다.
Why isn't Robert Olivas being charged with conspiracy?
Give us a moment. How did you know?
The evidence my team collected indicated he was higher up than any other officer we gave you.
Then I believe you've answered your own question.
He made a deal?
네, 올리바스는 카르텔 조직에 대한 정보를 대가로 자신의 형량을 협상했습니다.
I know, given your history with Detective Olivas, that you might feel...
My history?
He told us about the issues between you, which you should have shared from the start.
My history has nothing to do with the fact that he's committed serious crimes.
Detective, you're not seeing the bigger picture here.
No, I'm seeing it. Pretty damn clear.
올리바스에게 향합니다.
What the hell, Ballard? What are you doing here?
Snake! You don't care who you are or who you leave behind! You always get away with it! Always!
Calm down, Ballard. Don't be so upset. You think the world is fair, but it's just not. And it's not my fault either. I just know how to make the most out of it. I'm gonna be fine. I'm gonna weather all of this because I always do. But you're gonna spend the rest of your career in that basement, clawing to get out.
물론 올리바스는 영리하게 빠져나갔습니다. 하지만 그에 대한 평가가 예전 같지 않을 테고 카르텔을 피해 평생을 숨어 살아야겠죠.
Give me a reason. My career may be in a basement, but at least it's not in a fucking box.
저녁을 먹고 파크와 술 한잔하는 벨러드의 앞에 반갑지 않은 소리가 들립니다.
Can I help you?
Detective Renee Ballard,
That's me.
you're under arrest for the murder of Detective Robert Olivas.
What?
Ballard, somebody shot him. He's dead. Can you hold on just for 1 second, please? You don't need to...
과연 벨러드는 올리바스를 죽인 것인지 이야기는 발라드 시즌2에서 이어집니다.